Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. It was a green day for markets with the small cap Russell 2000 up by the most, around 2%, followed by the Dow and the S&P 500, also the NASDAQ 100, ending in the green as well. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 8 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with industrials up by the most, followed by real estate and financials. To the downside, consumer discretionary, utilities, and consumer staples ended around 0.5% lower. Looking at some stocks on the move, ADM shares tumbled around 24%, close to a 3-year low after putting its CFO on administrative leave. It's happening as both outside counsel and the board audit committee investigates the accounting practices and procedures in ADM's nutrition reporting segment. Western Digital shares closed more than 4% higher after Morgan Stanley named the company its top pick in semiconductors, replacing Nvidia. It's the latest in a flurry of bullish analyst notes saying Western Digital is poised to benefit from a second wave of AI. And United Airlines shares closed down around 1%, but post-market saw fourth quarter revenue that beat expectations. The airline cited a jump in sales for premium class seats and basic economy for higher revenue. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see the Richmond Fed at 10 a.m. Eastern. Then for earnings pre-market, we'll hear from Verizon, 3M, General Electric, D.R. Horton, and Johnson & Johnson. Post-market, we'll see earnings from Netflix and Texas Instruments. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.